Hey everyone, this is gonna be my first ever Yu-Gi-Oh opening on this channel, and hopefully this is the start of a few more openings. But I got these packs on eBay for a very good price. These are first edition The Lost Millennium packs, which is the first GX set ever made. As you can see on the front, it has Ancient Gear Golem, which is the prize card of the set. There's plenty of other good cards in this set, like, what else? We have Wing Karibo Ultimate Rare, which would be awesome to pull. Some other really good cards in here, but those are the two main cards I'd like to pull. And I've never actually opened up this many packs before. This is 20 booster packs, 10 and 10. So this is going to be exciting for me. I got them for a really good price. So let's just get going. I got some sleeves over here. Some Ultra Pro yellow sleeves. To sleeve the hollows. Hopefully we get hollows. He said that these packs were not scaled in any way, so I'm gonna hope that they aren't. I tend to believe sellers on eBay. So let's see. Let's start off with the right side. Okay, we're starting off with an Elemental Hero. Elemental Hero Burstinatrix, that's a good one. First set to introduce Elemental Heroes, by the way. Got Minefield Eruption. Des Wombat. I know that was used for some old school combos back in the day. Elemental Hero Clayman, that's a good one. These are first edition, by the way, if I didn't say that already. First edition Elemental Hero Clayman. And Kazaki Self-Destruct Button. Cool rare. Yep. Put the rares over here. Medusa Worm. Double Attack. White Ninja. Cool ninja cards. And Miss Polymerization. So, I forgot to mention another really good card in this set is King of the Skull Servants, which we'll be counting how many we have of that. It's a common in this set, so that's really cool. Hopefully we get a few of those. Pack 2. Hita the Fire Charmer. Ooh, our first Avian. Cool. That reminds me of another one of the really good cards in this set. It's Elemental Hero Flare Wingman, I believe. Very good card from this set. Level Conversion Lab. Another Burstinatrix, and Cryosphinx. These cards I don't want to get as ultimate rares, but, you know, hopefully I pull an ultimate in any form. Sorry. Miss Polymerization. Monk Fighter. There's our first King of the Skull Servants. Cool. I'll put those down here. Double Attack. And it looks like we don't have a lot of time on the camera, so I might have to put this into 2 videos. So we're gonna have to go a little bit faster. Okay. Next pack. Like I said, hopefully I'm able to open up some more Yu-Gi-Oh packs on this channel, because I love Yu-Gi-Oh. Level Conversion Lab. Sparkman. That's our first Sparkman. Cool. One of my favorites. Pikaru's Second Light. Doriato's Blessing. And Token Feastable. Alright. Another King of the Skull Servants, that's 2. Cool. Mind Golem, Grave Lure, also the Earth Charmer. Alright, only 3 packs in. This is 4. Area, the Water Charmer, first one of that. Doriato's Blessing, another Avian, Minefield Eruption, and Millennium Scorpion. Still no holo. That's a good rare. Hopefully I could get that as a ultimate. Dummy Golem, Lone Wolf, Lost Guardian, and also the Fire Charmer. I mean the Earth Charmer, sorry. Next pack. This is really nice opening up this many packs because I've never done this before. Never opened up this many Yu-Gi-Oh packs before. Cool. Hita the Fire Charmer, Des Wombat, Final Ritual of the Ancients, and Burstinatrix, Spell Stopping Statue. Man, I hope these aren't scaled. Double Attack, White Ninja, Mispolymerization, our 3rd King of the Skull Servants. Awesome. Okay. Jesus. Okay. Actually, it looks like we only have about 1 minute and 30 seconds on the camera, since apparently there's not a lot of storage on this camera, so I might have to split this. Doriato's Blessing, Area of the Water Charmer, Ancient Gear Soldier, our first one of that. Gift of the Martyr, and Elemental Hero Doriato. Okay. White Ninja, Grave Lure, Win the Wind Charmer, Impenetrable Formation. This is not looking good so far. Hopefully we got better packs on the right, on the left side, I mean. Clayman, Final Ritual of the Ancients, Moai Interceptor Cannons, Avian, Royal Surrender. Man, this is not good. Medusa Worm, Lone Wolf, Dummy Golem, and our first Battery Man AA. Cool. Put those here. Only about 20 seconds left. Hopefully we can get one more pack in. Now you know what, I'll save it for the next half of the video. So we have about 3 packs left over here on the right side and still 10 on the left. So I'll see you guys in the next part. Hopefully there's enough storage for the next part of the video.